Hello, and welcome to another episode of Matter Hacks brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I'm in Xactimate. Why am I in Xactimate during a Matter Hacks video exactly? Well, I have a helpful tip for you that I wanted to share that if you're using Xactimate and a Matterport camera, can be very productive and efficient when trying to include your Matterport scans in the estimate that you're generating. So as you can see here, I have an Xactimate 28 estimate open. I am under the Claim Info tab, and I'm under the Insured Info tab. And down here, I have a section called Mortgagee. Now, in this particular case, in most cases in our industry, we're probably not putting any information there. But that's exactly why I've identified it as a available token that I can use to input my Matterport scans and automatically generate them, and so that I don't have to constantly type in a Matterport link or put them in multiple places. All I ever have to do is put it in my estimate once here. So what do I have here? The first one is pre-mitigation scan with the share link to the exact pre-mitigation scan. Note that when this window originally loads, there's only one mortgagee and one loan number option. So you can hit add here to simply add another. In this case, I've only added two. I wanted to put my pre-mitigation scan and my post-mitigation scan. And I'm going to remove this here. Now, where am I using this information? What token, and where am I putting that token such that it loads my pre-mit and my post-mit scan and my estimate? I'm going to come over here to parameters, still under the Claim Info tab. I'm going to give you a preview of our opening statement here. I'm going to hit edit so I can open it up and show you that this is part of our, what we refer to as the killer opening statement, and gives us an opportunity to set the tone of the estimate, tell our story up front. And the very first thing in that opening statement is this right here. Construction cost estimate. Yep, this is our repair estimate. This is section 1, the 3D forensic scans. Now note that I have 5 loaded here, 5 potential mortgagees, but I've only included 2. If you did not add a mortgagee 3 or 4 or 5, nothing's going to show up here. It's just going to ignore it and say, okay, there's nothing there because there was no information in the mortgagee 3 box. Our 1 and 2 is loaded. And we had a previous exact tax video on tokens, but I'll pull up this T right here for you just to show the tokens menu. And I'll start to type in mortgage, and you can see I have the 5 mortgagee options here, or even mortgagee E, which would be a list of all mortgage holders. But I want to individually separate them because there's different scans for each. So what does this look like on the front end? I want to now generate my report in rough draft form. I'm going to hit view, and you'll see here it shows me in my opening statement, section 1, 3D forensic scans, pre-mitigation scan, post-mitigation scan. One of the nice things is in these PDF viewers these days, especially Adobe, you don't even have to go in here and do anything else. When you generate the PDF or you send it to somebody else, those links will be automatically hyperlinked and clickable. The only thing I might recommend is that in an Adobe PDF editor, that prior to submission to the other side of the claims, to the claims professional, you might want to change the text color to blue so it shows up like a hyperlink and really stands out in your estimate, which is normally all black and white. So this has been another Matter hack showing you how to use tokens that are normally not used in the claim settlement process, such as the mortgagee, to put in your pre-mitigation and your post-mitigation Matterport scans such that you can automatically generate them in your Xactimate estimate for review and approval. So I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next week.